Hey, I'm Steve Gold, and welcome to 111th Avenue. We are here on the 17th and 18th floor in one of the most architecturally significant residential condos in West Chelsea. This is the largest condo offering in the entire downtown New York City market. That's over 11,500 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and a beautiful duplex with crazy views. And this place, it does not skimp on style. This is a Chelsea spin on Hollywood Regency and glamour. Pritzker Prize-winning architect Jean Nouvel created this masterpiece and dubbed it the Vision Machine, and it's easy to see why. With 32 different sizes and shapes of windows, all tilted in different directions, each window provides a unique perspective of New York City. And what better place to enjoy this vision than a living room with 3 exposures: sunrise over the city and sunset over the Hudson River. With so much space, you have multiple seating areas and the most incredible bones you could ask for: light, air, views, and water. When you have a place like this, you're gonna want to entertain. And what better place to entertain than this open concept kitchen? From the stainless steel countertops to the double oven, double wine, double fridge, I bet it's double the fun. And off the kitchen, the most romantic and picturesque dining setting in the entire city. I mean, think about it. Sitting here for a wonderful dinner party with your guests, overlooking the Hudson River with the sun setting directly in front of you. And the reflective light off the crystal chandelier doesn't hurt to set the mood either. Although this home is almost 12,000 square feet, there's still beautiful, intimate moments like this breakfast area and this family room adjacent. West Chelsea is known for its great architecture, and sitting here, taking in the tranquility of the Hudson River, there's no better place to admire it. Frank Gehry, Briark Angles, Thomas Heatherwick. It's like a masterclass in world-class architecture. Now talk about suite. This primary suite has over 2,000 square feet of private space. And what grounds this suite is this incredible bedroom. I mean, look at this expanse, this curved wall of windows. I can't think of a more peaceful place to rest my head. And nothing says West Chelsea Hollywood Regency than your own glam station. Wham bam, thank you glam. And a perfect complement to a luxurious primary suite is a deep soaking tub. And with the privacy, the space, the views, this is one of the most incredible primary suites in all of New York City. I hope you enjoyed this tour of downtown New York City's most glamorous and largest luxury condo. I'll leave you with the view.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?